Hey folks, I'm back again. Welcome to the channel. I got a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. I'm doing rear brakes and rotors, and y'all tag along. $14mm wrench. Take this top motor loose. On these rear calipers, the bottom bolt will hit this cross member. If I was just doing pads, I could just tip the caliper down and slide it out, but since I'm replacing the whole rotors, I can just take the bracket motor loose and that's 19mm. Put that back up here out of the way. $19mm, one bolt. Got the second bolt out. Okay, slide this out of here. I'm actually changing the rotors, so you just slide this rotor off. I got a piston depressor. Put that in here. Compress the pistons in, and that's basically it. Once I get my rotors and stuff back, I'll click it back on, waiting for them to get here from the parts store. I'll be right back.